Development Rally a total failure, says JCCPA. Denta Khadlong Mirjang College hosts two-day College Week event. Ru Samson Singing Team Memorial Under 13 and Under 16 Football Championship concludes. Yashvir Sofa Store. Bangso store along nang litum longigji, mesen na sofa. An chot kalisi, an namjum hek penta longigji. Nang litum an ningkehang a design, ateng pen kasi margin ningkehang do setame, bangso Yashvir Sofa Store along pen longigji. Lapen an parta, hema long kahinotang sofa, puthot kasemar mate repairing oversize ita longigji. Kahumri nang jiadim lake Yashvir Sofa Store, Dokmoka Forest IB at Hengno. Klarda kachini jiaphan 8459492372, Lapenke 86381-48114 along Humri Lote Longigji. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbiang Long Live. I'm Margaret Rangpi, and now the news in details. The Joint Coordination Committee on Autonomous State (JCCPA) came down heavily on the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party at the local and state level and has termed the Peace and Development Rally on Thursday a complete failure, as a long-standing demand of the Hills districts did not figure during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. Here is a report. The JCCPA gave the statement during a press conference here in Diffu on Saturday. The press conference, which was convened at the District Press Club at 3 p.m., was led by JCCPA Chairman Khorsing Teron, Convener Saising Rongpi, and Convener Rabindra Rongpi. The JCCPA Chairman said that the Peace and Development Rally on May 28 is a total failure, as Article 244A to the Constitution of India, the long-standing demand and aspiration of the Twin Hills district, did not figure in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. But on the part of the state government, it has been a success in suppressing the issue and in making the impression that there is no long-standing demand in the Hills district.
Lapenke laso rally pensi Karbiang long-standing demand abangke lake bear thiplo. Article 244A labangso long-standing demand abangke arni si ke Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ang no ke kapeklang don ke ladak ke thang a demand avelo thang kachesong avelo thang ke hang avelo dake ing samjin lo rengdok rengi lo non ke tangka sinang po development apan labang situ dalla bangke bangke state government ke bangga ning hanga teng claim lo sita la bangke nilitum der la pukali Karbiang long arata masi social media kapre ka long sita me
Teron added that the people of Karbiang Long want peace, but a permanent peace which could only be possible when the long-standing demand for autonomous state will be fulfilled.
Peace nangi sita, we want permanent peace. Lapenke development nangi, elitum development nangi sita development ko sona fansi ki puma hala bangke cengsi ke Karbiang Long arada fan pacini neng.
The JCCPA leaders continued their attack on the BJP, reminding that their national party leaders, including LK Advani in 2009 at Kerani, followed by then BJP National President Rajnath Singh at Dokmoka in 2014, had promised to take up the issue once voted to power. Further, the JCCPA leaders said that the issue was made the main issue in its election manifesto of the Karbiang Long Autonomous Council and MLA elections, but their total failures have been exposed on May 28. News Desk Report, Karbiang Long Live. With the theme, the more difficulty the victory, the greater the happiness in winning, and loss of culture is the loss of identity, the Denta Khadlong Mirjang College held a two-day College Week program. The event was held on April 29 and 30. Here is a report. The entire program was supervised by the principal Bibison Rongpi and joined by his teaching and non-teaching staff. The program was inaugurated by Karbiang Long Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso, who was accompanied by BJP Korkanti Mondal Committee President Doloy Ingti, Secretary Chandra Ingti, VDC Chairman Khogan Tiso, Village Headman Janata Ingti, and others. Speaking in education, the EM urged the students to work hard in their studies, as education is the only means to bring positive changes in the society.
Long Mirjang Collegeor এই প্রথমখন কলেজ উইক, গতিকে এই কলেজ উইকখন আজি ইয়াত আহি পেলাই শুভাৰম্ভ কৰিব পাই মই অত্যন্ত সুখী আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ লং মিৰ্জিং কলেজৰ প্ৰিন্সিপালৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি টিচিং ষ্টাফ যিমান আছে নন টিচিং ষ্টাফ যিমান আছে আৰু সকলোকে আমাৰ এই অঞ্চলৰ গণ্যমান্য ব্যক্তিসকলৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি সকলো ৰাইজলৈ মোৰ আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ।
Several games and sports, singing and dancing competitions were held during the event. A cultural rally was also held in order to promote unity among diversity. Samsing Ingti's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. The Ru Samson Singing Team Memorial Under 13 and Under 16 Football Championship concluded on Friday with the final match played between Samilangso Morning Star Football Academy and Denarong Morning Star Football Academy. Here is a report.
In both the categories, the Denarong Morning Star Football Academy defeated their counterpart from Samilangso to become the champion. The post-match presentation ceremony was attended by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso, Samilangso Municipal Board Chairman Robinson Rongpi, BJP Core Kanthi Mondal Committee President Doloi Ingti, Samilangso Police Station OC Khagen Bora, ST Morcha President Babu Singh Beg, LAMS Chairman Sarsing Tokbi and several others. Hundreds of sports lovers came to see the match and encourage the players. The tournament was held under the initiative of the Samilangso Sports Association and all the matches were played in Samilangso Mini Stadium. Speaking in the occasion, Samilangso Sports Association President Bidyal Tiso said that they are planning to hold more tournaments in the near future in order to give the local youths the opportunity to showcase their talent. Secretary Gulab Kramsa expressed his gratitude to all the teams who had participated in the tournament.
Bangso akhela bi pon ke kithurmi owe kimi atom fan ansu se khela aprang ke pa prang pon thegi fansi la bangso akimang pe sini tunda khela kibi pon ke hai pon bang ke lake Denarong Football Academy Morning Star Academy pusipu alang litum hin pensi khela chipahe pon under 13 under 16 stame.
Samsing Ingti's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live.
Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.